Hi, I'm Tyler and welcome to 30 Days of Video. I have committed to posting a video here on YouTube for 30 days and you are watching number 10. 10. I cannot believe I've made 10 videos in 10 days. It really makes me wonder what I have been waiting for this whole time. But anyway, I'm really excited because today I have made the decision to start a new journey that I'm going to start tomorrow. It's really late tonight, so I'm going to get to bed. But tomorrow I'm going to start my micro lock journey. So I am locking my hair. I'm giving myself dreadlocks, specifically micro locks. They're going to be very tiny. And I'm really excited about this because if you know me, you know that I just got out the military recently. And before I joined the military, I did have dreadlocks and I had to cut them because at the time I came in, they were not allowed. Now they are, at least in the branch that I was in. So yay for progression, very good. I wish I didn't have to cut mine off, but we're not gonna worry about that now because I did have traditional dreadlocks then, so they were thicker. This time around, they are gonna be smaller and I'm really excited because I am gonna share the journey on YouTube with you guys. And I am going to be the process will probably take me about 2 weeks to install them, so you will see all the ins and outs of that and I can explain more in detail along the way. But I will share little bits, obviously, because I'm uploading a video every 30 days, or every day for now about 20 more days. So you will see the progress day by day because my hair will be not all the way done for probably the next 2 weeks or so. But I do plan on filming the process more in depth, and then after this series is finished, I will edit the footage and put out a more detailed video describing the process and just everything that takes place. And I'm really excited to share that with you guys. So that's gonna be it for today. I just wanted to make that announcement tonight. I'm gonna get some sleep because it's been a long day and I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I'm going to start the locks. So you guys will see the beginning stages. And yeah, I guess that's all I have today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to know why I've committed to posting a video every day for 30 days, I will leave the link to day 1 in the description box where you can find out why there. And that's it. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.